Welcome to our CPU Showdown. Today, we are diving deep into a comparison between two powerhouse processors, the Intel Core i7-12700K and the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D. The i7-12700K, with its innovative hybrid architecture, boasts 12 cores and integrated graphics, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and productivity. On the other hand, the Ryzen 99900X3D, featuring AMD's cutting-edge 3D V-Cache technology, promises unparalleled gaming performance with its 12 cores and a massive 140 MB L3 cache. Join us as we explore their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to determine which CPU reigns supreme in the world of high-performance computing. The Intel Core i7-12700K utilizes a hybrid architecture that combines high-performance cores with efficiency cores, allowing for excellent multitasking capabilities. This design is particularly beneficial for users who require both high single-threaded performance and efficient background processing. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D leverages its innovative 3D V-Cache technology, which provides a significant boost in gaming performance by maximizing the amount of cache available to the CPU. This architectural difference highlights the unique strengths of each processor, catering to different user needs. When it comes to performance, the Intel Core i7-12700K excels in single-core tasks, making it a fantastic choice for gaming and applications that rely on high clock speeds. With a maximum boost clock of up to 5.0 GHz, it delivers responsive performance across a variety of workloads. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D is designed for gamers, offering unmatched performance in cache-sensitive games thanks to its 140 MB of L3 cache. This allows for smoother gameplay and higher frame rates, particularly in demanding titles, establishing it as a top contender for gaming enthusiasts. In terms of value, the Intel Core i7-12700K is priced at approximately $510, offering a strong balance of performance and features for gamers and content creators alike. Its integrated graphics also provide a useful fallback for users without a dedicated GPU. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D comes at a higher price point of around $599, reflecting its advanced technology and gaming focus. While it may be more expensive, its performance capabilities and future-proofing with the AM5 platform make it an attractive option for serious gamers looking to invest in top-tier hardware. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i7-12700K and the AMD Ryzen 99900X3D offer exceptional performance for gaming and productivity. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize high single-core performance or cutting-edge gaming capabilities. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.